Hello and welcome. On 16th October 2022, our Prime Minister had launched 75 digital banking units across India. Actually, it all started as part of Union Budget 2022-23 when our Finance Minister had announced setting up of 75 digital banking units in 75 districts to mark celebration of 75 years of India's independence. These DBUs offer digital banking facility to the rural population who have no proper access to internet or to those who are not tech savvy. These DBUs are going to be very different from the way the banks function in rural areas. So in this video, let's first understand the basics of these digital banking units. Then we will see what are its uses, that is what kind of banking activities can you carry out in these DBUs, and in the end we will see how exactly can you all as customers carry out these banking activities digitally in these DBUs. So let's start with its basics. Digital banking units are outlets offering digital banking facilities. This is very similar to common services centers, that is CSCs, which offer services from getting passport, PAN or Aadhaar to making bill payments like electricity bill payments and so on. But these DBUs are dedicated outlets for digital banking activities. That is, in these DBUs, you can get your banking activities done in digital mode. But these DBUs are different from the banks in the rural areas because one, it is paperless, that is you no more have to fill forms or applications for your banking activities. Second, it is internet enabled, that is necessary infrastructure would be provided to you to carry out banking activities in digital form. Third, it is functional 24/7, 365 days a year. The focus of these DBUs is not just on digital banking, but also to spread digital financial literacy, that is to educate rural population on how to use digital technology for their banking needs. Second, to educate customers on cybersecurity awareness and safeguards, that is if you get your banking activities done online in these DBUs, then it would help you protect yourself from various scams and frauds, thus you can keep your money safe. Third, DBUs would offer you customer grievance redressal mechanism. That is, if you have any problem in your banking activities, then you can register complaint online by visiting these DBUs. Say for example, you have withdrawn cash or you have made some bill payment using your card and a single transaction is recorded twice, you can register such complaints. Or let's say you have applied for debit or credit card and you haven't received it, then you can register such complaints. So whatever problems you face in your banking activities, you would be able to register such complaints online by visiting these DBUs. Now that we have got the basics covered, let's see what kind of banking activities can you carry out in these digital banking units. First, you can open your savings account and get your debit or credit cards if you are eligible. Second, you can carry out your day-to-day banking activities. That is, you can deposit or withdraw cash, you can transfer funds to others, then you can pay your utility bills like electricity bills, phone bills, etc. You can pay your taxes. You can view statement of your account, check your bank balance, or you can even get your passbook entries printed. In case you have issued any checks, then you can issue stop payment requests. You can register nomination for your accounts and so on. Third, investments. That is, you can open fixed deposit or recurring deposit accounts in these DBUs. Fourth, you can apply for loans that you are eligible to for your personal needs. Even MSME loans can be applied here. That is, the loans meant for micro, small and medium enterprises. Fifth, by visiting these DBUs, you would be able to apply for various government credit linked schemes on the Jan Samarth portal. So in a nutshell, you can get all these activities done in paperless digital manner by visiting these digital banking units. Now let us see how exactly can you carry out all these banking activities when you visit a DBU. There are two modes in which DBUs offer services to you. First one, self-service mode. Second, digital assistance mode. Self-service mode. As the name suggests, necessary infrastructure would be provided to you to carry out your banking activities in digital form. It is going to be functional 24/7, 365 days a year. Second, digital assistance mode. Here, the bank staff would help you and guide you to fulfill your banking needs. Say for example, if you want to apply for a loan, then the bank staff would collect necessary documents from you and submit application online. If you know how to carry out these banking activities online but you lack infrastructure, that is, say you don't have internet facility or you don't have smartphone or computer, then self-service mode would be ideal for you because you can use the necessary infrastructure available at this DBUs. On the other hand, if you are not tech savvy, that is, you do not know how to do these banking activities online, then you can go for digital assistance mode and take the guidance of the bank staff, and once you are familiar with the process, you can switch to self-service mode. In this way, DBUs would be able to spread digital financial literacy in rural India. And the guidance that you get from the bank staff, that is when you opt for digital assistance mode, it would help you protect yourself from various scams and frauds, and thus you can even keep your money safe. As of now, 75 digital banking units are functional across India, and this network is going to further expand. The objective here is to ensure that these benefits reach each and every part of the country in all the states and union territories. As of now, 11 public sector banks, 12 private sector banks and 1 small finance bank offer these digital banking unit services. Here is the list of 75 digital banking units. You can check the link in the description to view or download this list. That's all I have for you in this video. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.